हेलो स्टूडेंट्स एंड एस्पायरेंट्स, स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल डेली जीएस डोज पर। हमेशा की तरह एक बार फिर हम हाजिर हो गए आपके सामने अपने जीएस क्वेश्चन के वीडियो के साथ। तो आज हम लेकर आए हैं पार्ट 3 ऑफ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट 500 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ लूसेंट जीके बुक। जैसा कि आप जान रहे हैं, ये सीरीज हमने शुरू की थी स्टैटिक जीके की, जो कि फुल्ली लूसेंट जीके बुक बेस्ड है। इसका आज थर्ड पार्ट यानी थर्ड वीडियो हम लेकर आए हैं। अगर आपने शुरुआत के पार्ट 1 और पार्ट 2 के सेशन नहीं देखे हैं तो उनके लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में शेयर करूंगी, आप उन्हें जरूर देखिएगा। ये वीडियो लास्ट मिनट रिवीजन के लिए भी परफेक्ट वीडियो है। चलते हैं सीधे सवालों से, क्योंकि हमारे पास इसका जो कंटेंट है, डेटा है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है हमेशा की तरह। तो इस बार भी हम बिना वक्त ज़ाया करे सीधे सवालों पे चलेंगे और उनके आंसर बताते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे। पहला सवाल कह रहा है, हु वॉज द फर्स्ट जनरल सेक्रेटरी ऑफ द INC, इंटरनेशनल कांग्रेस की बात हो रही है। आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस का जो है, आप कह सकते हैं उसका उद्यापन, यानी वो जब कब शुरू हुआ था, किस ईयर में या साल में वो फाउंड हुआ था, वो आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा। ये आपका छोटा सा मिनी होमवर्क है। बात करते हैं, फर्स्ट जनरल सेक्रेटरी थे दादा भाई नौरोजी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं, फ्रॉम व्हेन वाज द जीरो बजट इन इंडिया फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंटेड। तो कहाँ पे सबसे पहली बार जीरो बेस्ड बजटिंग जो है उसकी शुरुआत हुई थी? अप्रैल 1987 में इसकी शुरुआत की गई थी। अगले सवाल पे चलते हैं, रेनफॉल इन द डोलड्रम्स इज वन ऑफ द नेचर ऑफ विच प्रेसिपिटेशन। ज्योग्राफी का क्वेश्चन है, पूछा जा रहा है कि नेचर बेसिकली रेनफॉल कौन सा, डोलड्रम्स जो एरिया है वहाँ पे रेनफॉल का कौन सा नेचर है प्रेसिपिटेशन का? दैट इज ओरोग्राफिक प्रेसिपिटेशन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच फर्स्ट इंडियन लीडर टू अंडरगो इम्प्रिजनमेंट इन 1882। पहले ऐसे इंडिया के लीडर जो 1882 में जिन्हें जेल में डाला गया, जिनको इम्प्रिजनमेंट किया गया, उनका नाम था सी विजयरघावाचारी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं, विच टाइप ऑफ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म इज मोस्ट वाइडली यूज्ड इन इंडस्ट्रीज? इट इज बैक्टीरिया, माइक्रोएल्गे एंड फंगस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स इन अ स्टेट असेंबली? स्टेट असेंबली की बात हो रही है कि इसमें मैक्सिमम नंबर कितने लोग मेंबर्स जो है वन टाइम एट अ टाइम इलेक्ट किए जा सकते हैं? तो दैट इज एक्चुअली 500। मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्टेट असेंबली को हम विधानसभा भी कहते हैं हिंदी में। अगले सवाल पे चलते हैं, इन फायरवर्क्स हाउ इज द ग्रीन फ्लेम प्रोड्यूस्ड? तो ये जो क्रैकर्स होते हैं, पटाखे होते हैं, बेसिकली इसमें ये जो ग्रीन कलर की लाइट निकलती है वो किसके प्रेजेंस से निकलती है? दैट इज ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ बेरियम। Next question, which term of natural vegetation is associated with Siberia? Taiga. Next question, during the Indian freedom struggle, who started a journal? The Indian sociologist. तो basically इसके founder कौन थे इस जर्नल के, इंडियन जर्नल के? श्याम जी कृष्ण वर्मा. Next question, person is called desert fox. Who is called desert fox? General Rommel. Next question, by whom was the home rule movement in India started? Easy question. Answer is Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next question, by whom are zonal council provided? They are actually provided by the parliamentary act. उनके लिए पूरा एक parliamentary act बना हुआ है। अगले सवाल पे बात करते हैं, who does a liquid drop tend to assume a spherical shape? So how, why does, basically क्वेश्चन यहाँ में होना चाहिए, मिसप्रिंटिंग है, why does a liquid tend to, जब भी कोई बूंद गिरती है तो वो एक गोल आकार क्यों ले लेती है? It forms a spherical shape. तो बेसिकली वो जो होता है that is due to the presence of surface tension. Next question, with which economic growth is usually coupled? तो किससे इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ बढ़ती है? इन्फ्लेशन यानी महंगाई से। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर इज द थर्मल इक्वेटर फाउंड? आंसर इज सरफेस, sorry, answer is inflation. Next question, where is the thermal equator found? So thermal equator is found in near the north of the geographical equator. Next question, after whose name was a women's division of the Indian National Army named? Answer is Rani Jhansi. Next question, the United Nations declared 2013 as the International Year of which corporation? So basically this was considered and famed as Water Corporation Year 2013 by United Nations. Next question, what is the instrument used for measuring the rate of transpiration? तो rate of transpiration, basically transpiration is the water loss जो stems, leaves, flowers से हो जाता है and from plants. तो इसको नापने का जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है उसको कहते हैं पोटोमीटर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बाय हुम वाज एन इंटरस्टेट काउंसिल सेट अप इन 1990 अंडर आर्टिकल 263 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन? तो किसके द्वारा ये सेट की गई थी दिस इंटरस्टेट काउंसिल, जिसका आर्टिकल है आर्टिकल 263 बाय प्रेसिडेंट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच रिफ्लेक्ट्स बैक मोर सनलाइट एज कंपेयर टू अदर थ्री? तो दैट इज लैंड कवर्ड विद फ्रेश स्नो. फ्रेश स्नो जो है, यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस नहीं दिए क्योंकि हम ये वन लाइनर के पार्ट में वन लाइनर के एक तरह से कह सकते हैं फॉर्म में हम ये क्वेश्चंस लाए हैं, क्योंकि एमसीक्यूज को जब हम ऑप्शंस रीड करते हैं तो 4 ऑप्शन पढ़ने में थोड़ा सा समय लगता है, विच आई पर्सनली फील कि कहीं ना कहीं इससे समय लॉस होता है, क्योंकि कंटेंट जब ज़्यादा होता है तो सीधे क्वेश्चन को अगर आंसर के साथ वो हमें मिल जाए तो दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड डेटा, आई बिलीव दैट, एंड दैट्स वाई आई मोस्टली ब्रिंग माई जीके लूसेंट सीरीज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वन लाइनर। फिलहाल में भी सवाल ये पूछ रहा है कि कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके साथ 4 ऑप्शंस थे, जिसमें ये पूछा जा रहा है कि सबसे ज़्यादा सनलाइट अगर सूरज की रोशनी रिफ्लेक्ट बैक करेगी तो वो किससे करेगी, दैट वुड बी फ्रॉम द लैंड विच इज़ कवर्ड विद फ्रेश स्नो। Next question, who started the newspaper Shom Prakash? That was done by Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, IC Vidyasagar. Next question, which substance does not have a melting point? Which substance? That is a glass. Next question, how many votes are entitled for members of the UN Economic and Social Council? Answer is 1 vote. Next question, in India, in which industry are maximum number of workers employed? That is textile industry. Next question, which is the soil formed by wind dust in around hot deserts? That is Lewis soil. Next question, in whose court was a Chinese embassy sent by Tang Emperor? That was Harshvardhan's court. Next question, for which snake is the diet mainly composed of their snakes? That is king cobra. Next question, on which date India became a sovereign democratic republic? It became sovereign democratic republic on January 26, 1950. Next question, what minimum number of non-zero non-collinear vectors is required to produce a zero vector? Answer is 3. Next question, where is Niagara Fall? Niagara Fall is situated in United States of America. Next question, which inspiration mentions Pulkesin's second military success against Harshvardhan? Answer is Ahole inscription. इसी में जो है Ahole inscription जो है, Ahole जो स्मृति है उसमें ही पुलकेसिन सेकंड के जो भी सक्सेस रही है, मिलिट्री सक्सेस रही उनकी पूरे जीवन काल की, उसके बारे में वर्णित है। अगले सवाल पे चलते हैं, व्हाट इज द प्रेजेंट स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ मेंबर्स इन द इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल काउंसिल ऑफ द यूएन बॉडी? इट इज 54. Next question, which book was written by Graham Greene? There could be some options, but here the answer is The Power and the Glory, that is written by Graham Greene. Next question, what structure is common to both earthworm and cockroach? That is ventral nerve cord. Next question, which strait connected Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal? तो अरेबियन सी जो अरेबियन सागर है और बंगाल की खाड़ी को जोड़ने वाला जो स्ट्रेट है उसको हम कहते हैं पाल्क स्ट्रेट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य figures prominently in whose book? Vishakha Datta. Next question, which act made the Indian legislature bicameral? The answer is Government of India Act 1990. Next question, by which a mixture of sand and naphthalene can be separated? It could be done by sublimation. Next, sublimation is a procedure जिसमें जो आप कह सकते हैं solid होता है that turns into the gaseous state, gaseous form में बदल जाता है, जैसे naphthalene ball है वो evaporate हो जाएगी, and what would you left be with? That would be sand. Next question, the Uruguay round negotiations resulted in the establishment of which organization? That is World Trade Organization. Next question, Durand Line is the border common to which two countries? It is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Next question, who started that there are no slavery in India? Who stated it that there is no slavery in India? It was stated and as such मतलब बेसिकली उन्होंने एक स्टेटमेंट पास किया था कि there is no slavery, यानी भारत में दास प्रथा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. This statement was particularly stated by Megasthenes. Next question, which film was made by Satyajit Ray for children? Satyajit Ray was a Nobel Prize laureate, तो ये फिल्म डायरेक्टर थे and the movie was Sonar Killa. Next question, which part of human brain is the regulating center for swallowing and vomiting? That is medulla oblongata. Next question, what is the duration of proclamation of financial emergency? It is at the first instance of 2 months. Next question, which set of countries are completely surrounded by lands? That is Mongolia, Zambia, Bolivia. There may be many more, but the options would have contained only these 3 countries. So basically what we get to know is that Mongolia, Zambia, Bolivia, they are the countries which are completely surrounded by land and no water body. Next question, which ruler had granted Diwani to the East India Company? It was done by Shah Alam II. Next question, by which radio waves of constant amplitude can be generated? It could be done by oscillator. Next question, when is International Day of Peace recognized by UN observed? It was observed on 21 September every year. Next question, in which year was Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutikaran Yojana launched? It was launched in the year 2005. Next question, where is the southernmost point of India located? Great Nicobar. Next question, Which factory in Bengal was established by Portuguese? It was the factory which was established by Portuguese in India was Hooghly. Next question, which is used to know the development of fetus in uterus? Ultrasound. Next question, during the proclamation of national emergency, which article cannot be suspended whenever national emergency runs? The article which can never be suspended is Article 20 and 21. Next question, which oil is used in the flotation method? Basically, Article 20 and 21 come under fundamental rights. Next question, which oil is used in the flotation method for the purification of ores? Answer is pine oil. Next question, what is the name of the group of languages spoken by the largest number of people in India? It's Indo-Aryan. Next question, which was the first metal used by men? Simple, copper. Next question, when is International Day for Tolerance recognized? The UN, basically it was recognized by the UN and it is observed on November 16 every year. Next question, which is the only golfer, who's the only golfer to win the Masters tournament 6 times? It was by Jack Nicklaus. Next question, who published the book Origin of Species by Natural Selection in 1859? It was Darwin. Next question, by which name does the Brahmaputra enter into India? The Hang River. Next question, in which state Aryans first settled? Aryans first settled in Punjab. Next question, at present the Rajya Sabha consists of how many members? It is 245. Next question, which mirror is to be used to obtain a parallel beam of light from a small lamp? It is concave mirror. Next question, in which year was minimum inflation in post-economic reform? It was 1999 to 2000. Next question, the Tibetan river Sangpo enters India through which state? Through Arunachal Pradesh. Next question, on which thing did the Buddhism and Jainism both give stress? किस पे बेसिक उनका फोकस रहता है इन दोनों ही धर्मों का? दैट इज नॉन वायलेंस यानी कि अहिंसा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द एशियन गेम्स वर हेल्ड इन दिल्ली फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन विच ईयर? दे वर हेल्ड इन 1951. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज द मोस्ट प्रिमिटिव एंसेस्टर ऑफ मैन? इट इज Australopithecus. Next question, who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? It was G.V. Mavalankar. Next question, in which city of India the diurnal range of temperature is maximum? It is in New Delhi. Next question, to whom the Sarnath lion capital is attributed? It is attributed to Ashoka the ruler. Next question, what is the number of water molecule present in Mohar salt? So Mohar salt जो होता है उसमें number of water molecules present is 8. It's a chemistry question. Next question, the Dronacharya Award for sports coaches was instituted in which year? It was instituted in the year 1985. Next question, what does inflation imply? तो it implies rise in general price index. Inflation को हिंदी में महंगाई कहते हैं. Next question, in which season is the frequency of tropical cyclones in the Bay of Bengal maximum? It is after summers. Next question, which silver coin issued by the Guptas? Silver coins issued by the Guptas are Rupayak. उनका नाम था Rupayak. Next question, what is considered as a hotspot for biodiversity in India? It is Western Ghats. Next question, what does the special status of Jammu and Kashmir imply? A separate constitution which is now not legal. यानी कि इसको अब खत्म कर दिया गया है. Next question, why are metals good conductor of heat than insulator? Metals are good conductor of heat because they contain free electrons. Next question, where is pearl fishing well developed in India? It is off the coast at Rameshwaram, Chennai. Next question, by whom was the rare work of architecture Samarangana Sutradhara written? It was written by Bhoj Parmar. Next question, who was the first Indian to win the World Amateur Billiards title? It was done by Wilson Jones. Next question, who was the first Asian to receive the Nobel Prize? First Asian, तो ये फर्स्ट एशिया का ऐसा कौन से आप कह सकते हैं कि महान इंसान थे जिनको नोबेल प्राइज से नवाजा गया था? तो दिस इज अ वेरी प्राउड पार्ट ऑफ दिस इज अ वेरी प्राउड थिंग फॉर इंडिया एज वेल, क्योंकि रविन्द्रनाथ टैगोर जी ही ऐसे पहले एशियन थे जिन्होंने नोबेल प्राइज जिनको उनसे सम्मानित किया गया था. अगले सवाल पे चलते हैं, विच इज अ स्पीशीज डिस्क्राइब द ट्रॉपिक फंक्शन इट फिल्स इन द एनवायरमेंट? इट इज नीचे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट आइटम फॉर export among marine products from India? It is shrimp. Next question, who was the first Sultan of Delhi to introduce the practice of sajda? It was done by Balban. Next question, to whom is the chief minister of a state responsible? To the governor. Next question, a mixture of camphor and benzoic acid can be easily separated by which method? It could be done by chemical method. Next question, which is the oldest stock exchange of India? Bombay Stock Exchange. Next question, what is the approximate equatorial circumference of the earth? Circumference of the earth, it is 40,000 kilometers approx. Next question, which Sultan of Delhi imposed jizya on the Brahmins also? It is Firoz Tughlaq. Next question. Who got the Bharat Ratna award after becoming the President of India? Dr. Zakir Hussain. Next question. Which vitamin is generally excreted by humans in urine? It is vitamin C. Next question. What is the source of maximum income to Panchayati Raj? That is government grants. Next question. Which is present in the largest amount in terms of percent of mass in the earth's crust? The answer is oxygen. Next question. The Mansabdari system introduced by Akbar, from which system was it borrowed from? It was borrowed from Mongolia. Next question. If a material placed in a magnetic field is thrown out of it, then how is the material? It is diamagnetic. Next question. Who became the first Indian to take 16 wickets in a single test match? It was done by Narendra Harwani. Next question. Stock exchange play a role in an economy. How many it be termed? It would be useful but not needed strict regulation. Next question. Which is the highest lake above the sea level in the world? It is Lake Titicaca. Next question. The Maratha power reached the zenith of its glory during which reign? तो मराठा पावर जो है शिवाजी महाराज जो थे उनके कार्यकाल में, उनके समय के दौरान जो मराठा पावर था, दैट रीच्ड इट्स zenith of its glory. Next question. A person who lives exclusively on milk, egg and bread is likely to become a victim of which disease? He could become a victim of scurvy. Next question. Which is the apex of the three-tier system of Panchayati Raj? Jila Parishad. Next question. In organic compound, halogens are estimated by which method? They are expected by KDS method. Next question. The missile of which Ranjit Singh was the leader? Sukar Chakia. Next question. Where is the headquarters of International Olympic Committee? Easy question. At Lausanne, Switzerland. Next question. Who is the author of the book My Country, My Life? L.K. Advani, Lal Krishna Advani ji. Next question. Which is known as the graveyard of RBCs? Easy question. Spleen. इसको पित्त भी कहते हैं हिंदी में. अगले सवाल पे चलते हैं. Exceptionally high rainfall is recorded in regions owing to which effect? It is done by orographic effect. Next question. Which land tenure system was introduced by Lord Cornwallis? It was Zamindari system. Next question. Which can impose reasonable restrictions on the fundamental rights of the Indian citizens? It was done by Parliament. Next question. If the temperature of a semiconductor rises, what is its resistivity? It starts decreasing. कम होना शुरू हो जाती है. Next question. SENVAT is associated by which rate? Rate of indirect tax. Next question. In which country has maximum damage to the forest been caused by acid rain? Maximum damage caused in forests by acid rain is done in Poland. Next question. By whom was Swaraj as national demand first made? By Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question. Who is the author of the book Glimpses of World History? तो ये किताब लिखी है जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने. अगला सवाल. Which are the glands of the body which pour their secretions directly into the bloodstream? Endocrine glands. Next question. The fundamental right to property has been deleted by which amendment act? 44th Amendment Act में इस right to property को delete कर दिया गया from the fundamental right. Next question. Which state is with the largest area under wasteland? It is Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. On which basis Montague-Chelmsford's report formed? तो Montague-Chelmsford report जो आई थी वो किस basis पे थी? That was actually according to the Government of India Act 1990. Next question. Which is the second most abundant metal in the earth crust? That is iron. The Vivekanand Rock Memorial is situated at which place? Answer is Kanyakumari. Next question. Taxation and the government's expenditure policy are dealt under which policy? Fiscal policy. Next question. Which is the highest peak in Andaman and Nicobar Island? It is Saddle Peak. ये जो highest peaks होती हैं कई बार ये भी पूछी जाती हैं कि किस mountain range की कौन सी peak सबसे highest है. तो इस तरीके से ये सवाल भी बहुत ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है और ये सवाल भी पर्टिकुलर बहुत बार क्वेश्चन जो है एज सच पूछा गया है पेपर्स में. अगर बात करें कि इस सारे ही सीरीज़ में हम कवर करते हैं इकोनॉमी, पॉलिटी, हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, सारे ही सेक्शंस को कवर करके लाते हैं. ऐसे सारे ही लूसेंट के जो इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं इस बुक के उनको कवर करके लाते हैं जिसकी वजह से ये वीडियो आपके लिए एक परफेक्ट लास्ट मिनट रिवीजन वीडियो बन जाए और आप इसको रिवाइज करके जाएं आने वाले किसी भी पेपर में अगर आप सीटिंग दे रहे हैं तो. इसी उम्मीद के साथ कि आप इसे बिल्कुल भी स्किप नहीं करेंगे और अपना पूरा सपोर्ट के साथ इन क्वेश्चंस को जान के इनके आंसर्स को जानते हुए आगे बढ़ेंगे. हम आगे चलते हैं. अगला सवाल कह रहा है हु अटेंडेड द सेकंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस एज द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द कांग्रेस? इट वाज डन बाय महात्मा गांधी जी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अ टिपिकल ह्यूमन रिब केज कंसिस्ट ऑफ हाउ मेनी रिब्स? 24. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. टू whom the vice president letters of resignation is to be addressed? It is to be addressed to president. वाइस प्रेसिडेंट अगर अपना रेजिग्नेशन लेटर देगा, अपना इस्तीफा देगा तो वो प्रेसिडेंट को देगा. Next question, MHO is the unit of which quantity. So basically specific resistance is measured with the unit MHO. Next question, which reservoir is constructed in Chambal? Gandhi Sagar. Next question, which were the patrons of Sangam Assembly of Tamil poets? Pandya. Geeta Chandran is well known by which name? Answer is Bharatnatyam dancer. Geeta was a very renowned Bharatnatyam dancer. Next question, which plant is preferred for a mixed cropping in order to enhance the bioavailability of nitrogen? Gram yani chana. Next question, which cell organelle is responsible for cellular respiration? Mitochondria. Next question, which state was in the development of hydroelectricity? Pioneering state, it is Karnataka. Next question, which dynasty did rule over Magad after Nanda dynasty? That was Maurya. Who was the authority to who actually has the authority to remove the vice president from his office before the expiry of his term? तो ये जो राइट होता है ये अधिकार दिया जाता है पार्लियामेंट को, संसद को. अगले सवाल पे चलते हैं. विच इज द मोस्ट मैलिएबल मेटल? इट इज गोल्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फॉर इंटरनल फाइनेंसिंग ऑफ 5-year plans the government depends on which source? Taxation only. Next question, the altitudes of heavenly bodies appear to be greater than they actually are. Why is this? तो ऐसा बेसिकली इसलिए होता है क्योंकि एटमॉस्फेरिक रिफ्रैक्शन होता है. अगले सवाल पे चलते हैं. ड्यूरिंग द मुगल पीरियड विच ट्रेडर फर्स्ट केम टू इंडिया? इंग्लिश ट्रेडर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द फॉरगॉटन एम्पायर, it's a renowned historian novel written by Robert Seville. It was written in which empire? In the Vijayanagar Empire. Next question, which group of plant produce naked seeds? Gymnosperm. Next question, what is the maximum strength of the nominated members in both the houses of parliament? It is 14. जो basically nominate किए जाते हैं from the various fields and sectors, वो जो nominated members होते हैं संसद के, that strength is 14. Next question, who discovered the law of planetary orbits? Answer is Johannes Kepler. Next question, which god lost his importance as the first deity during the later Vedic period? Varun. Next question, who gave the first experimental value of G? It is Cavendish. Next question, photochemical smog occurs in which climate? It's warm, dry and sunny climate. Next question, what is the Planning Commission? Planning Commission is an advisory body and that has been replaced by Niti Aayog. Next question, what do the surface of area that lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn called? That is called a torrid zone. Next question, which is the most important divinity of Rigved? It's Varun. Next question, which communicable disease is caused by bacteria? Leprosy. कोढ़ इसे हिंदी में कहते हैं. ये communicable disease होती है which could be easily spread among people if they are in direct or indirect contact. Next question, who is considered the guardian of the public purse? Controller and Auditor General. Next question, what is the conversion of Fe double plus to Fe triple plus? It is oxidation. Next question, what percentage of isolation is received by the earth's surface? That is 47%. Next question, who was the famous Indo-Greek king who embraced Buddhism? तो पहले इंडो ग्रीक किंग थे Menander. Next question, if a ship moves from fresh water into sea water, what will happen? It will rise with a little higher amplitude. Next question, what is the first compound which is fixed during photosynthesis? It is glucose. Next question, at low elevation which cloud are to be found? It is nimbus. उन क्लाउड्स को हम निम्बस कहते हैं अगर छोटा लो एलिवेशन पे होते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ड्यूरिंग विच reign did both Vardhaman Mahavira and Gautam Buddha preach their doctrines? During the reign of Bimbisar. Next question, which union territory attained statehood in February 1987? It was Goa. Next question, the escape velocity from the surface of earth does not depend on which body? Mass of the body. Next question, in India, which first bank of limited liability managed by Indians and founded in 1881? Answer is Awadh Commercial Bank. Awadh Commercial Bank. Next question, which color type do not indicate fair or fine weather? It is cumulonimbus. Next question, cumulonimbus. Next question, what is the name by which Ashoka is generally referred to in his inscriptions? He is often referred in his inscriptions as Priyadarshi. Next question, to which are phototrophic and geotropic movements linked? It is done by auxin. Next question, on which date was the state of Bombay bifurcated into Maharashtra and Gujarat? तो दोनों में कब बटा था? It was done on May 1 in year 1960. Next question, a place having an average annual temperature of 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall of over 200 centimeter. Where is this? It is Singapore. Next question, which region did not form the part of Ashoka's empire? It was Madras. Next question, which is the most unreactive gas? Answer is hydrogen. Next question, When was Intergovernmental Authority on Development came into existence? It came into existence on 21st March 1996. Next question. Which rural bank has been named after a river? It is Varad Grameen Bank. In which type of climate does the temperature never rise above 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस थ्रू आउट द ईयर? तो टुंड्रा क्लाइमेट एरिया जो है, रीजन है, वहां पे 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस के ऊपर टेम्परेचर राइज कभी भी नहीं होता. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच गुप्ता रूलर was equally great in the art of peace, was in personal accomplishment? It was Chandragupta II. Next question. Which substance found in blood helps in clotting? It is fibrinogen. Next question. How can a major portion of constitution be attempted by 2/3 majority of parliament? That could be done. Next question. Which is the major oil producing area in USA? It is Texas Louisiana belt. Next question. Who contributed the Chalukyas in western India? The contribution was made by the Guptas. Next question. When was Lake Chad Basin Commission founded? The Lake Chad Basin Commission was founded on 22nd May 1964. Next question. The popular TV serial Neem Ka Ped was written by which author? It was written by Rahi Masoom Raza. Next question. Which constitutional amendment banned the floor crossing in Parliament? It was done by 52nd Amendment Constitution. Next question. Which country leads the world in the export of oil? It is done by Saudi Arabia. Next question. The Kalachuri era counted from Anno Domini 248. What was mostly in this current? It was Andhra. Next question. What is the name of the scientist who stated that matter can be converted into energy? इतना बड़ा एक स्टेटमेंट दिया था इन्होंने कि matter can neither be created nor destroyed, only converted into energy. It was done by Einstein. Next question. Famous scientist. Next question. By whom was the first estimate of national income in India made? Very much times asked. This question is asked like so many times in different papers. The answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question. Asian drama was written by Gunnar Carl Midroll. It's a book on which subject? It is on subject of economy. Next question. Where do earthquakes rarely occur? Brazil. Next question. Kamrup is the old name of which state? Assam को पुराना नाम जो basically state का इस राज्य का पुराना नाम था वो था कामरूप. अगले सवाल पे चलते हैं. What is in a healthy person rate of heartbeat on 1 minute? That is 72 times per minute. Next question. When is the Constitution of India designed to work as a unitary government? It is in times of emergency. Next question. Which is the rise with the rise of temperature? What happens in the speed sound in a gas? तो जब भी अगर temperature बढ़ता है तो sound in gas basically starts increasing. Next question. Mostly in which region do earthquake and volcano occur? They occur in folded and faulted regions, जहाँ पे टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स की जो है अवेलेबिलिटी ज़्यादा होती है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच रीजन ऑफ नॉर्दर्न इंडिया वॉज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन एम्पायर ऑफ अलाउद्दीन खिलजी? इट वॉज द एरिया ऑफ कश्मीर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच डिकेड इज सेलिब्रेटेड as the decade of action for road safety? It is 2011 to 2020. Next question. What is the sum total of income received for the services of labor, land or capital in our country? It is national income. Next question. Myxedema is disorder produced due to hypersecretion of which gland? तो अगर हाइपर सिक्रीट कर देता है थायराइड ग्लैंड तो माइक्सोडीमा जो है डिसऑर्डर हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन विच कंट्री इज वर्ल्ड्स हाईएस्ट वाटरफॉल? वेनेजुला. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हु डिस्ट्रॉयड द ग्रुप ऑफ 40 nobles? That was destroyed by Balban. Next question. From which of the country Constitution of India has adopted its fundamental duties? तो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया ने भारत के संविधान में ऐसे बहुत से पार्ट्स हैं जो अलग अलग कंट्रीज अडॉप्ट किए गए हैं. यहाँ सवाल में पूछा जा रहा है कि फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज जो है हमारे मूलभूत जो कर्तव्य हैं वो कहाँ से लिया गया है? तो वो लिया गया है यूएसएसआर से यानी रशिया से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The isotopes of chlorine with mass number 35 and 37 exist in which ratio? It exists in 3:1. Next question. Which decade is celebrated as United Nations Decade on Biodiversity? That is 2011 to 2020. Next question. Who built Charminar? Quli Qutub Shah. So like this we continue and completed our 500 important series of Lucent GK book. 500 सीरीज के जो 500 महत्वपूर्ण सवालों की जो सीरीज है लूसेंट जीके बुक की, ये इसका हमने थर्ड पार्ट का समापन कर लिया. उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको इस स्पीड को आप मेंटेन रख पाए होंगे. पढ़ते वक्त भी आपने वीडियो कहीं स्किप नहीं किया होगा और पूरे अच्छे तरीके से इस वीडियो को देखा होगा, क्योंकि इस वीडियो को और इससे पहले जो 2 वीडियोस बने हैं इसी सीरीज़ के वो आपके आने वाले किसी भी पेपर के लिए, अगर आप यूपीएसआई की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, अगर आप सीडीएस के एस्पायरेंट हैं, अगर आप जीडी कांस्टेबल का पेपर देना चाहते हैं, यूपी पुलिस में आप उसके लिए अगर आप पेपर दे रहे हैं, तो ये जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स होने वाले आने वाले 2 से 3 महीनों में सारे पेपर्स की सीटिंग के लिए दिस लूसेंट जीके बुक 500 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन सीरीज इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट कुड एक्ट एज द बेस्ट लास्ट मिनट रिविजन वीडियो। तो इन 3 वीडियोस को आप अच्छे से देखेंगे, इनके सवालों को आपने समझा होगा, आंसर्स को जाना होगा। इसी उम्मीद के साथ चलते हैं, विदा लेते हैं आपसे, मिलेंगे आपसे अगले वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए जारी रखें अपनी तैयारी। कीप वॉचिंग आवर वीडियोस, डू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल डेली जीएस डोज। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। जय हिंद, जय भारत।